Everybody is looking for a quick dessert hack. Well, here's a blueberry pie you can whip up in no time. First, grab your fresh blueberries, about 2 cups. Toss them in a bowl with half a cup of sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix it all together until those blueberries are nicely coated. Next, roll out your pie crust, store-bought or homemade, your choice. Place 1 crust in your pie pan, pour in our sweet blueberry mix, and dot with a few pats of butter. Now, cover it with the second crust. Crimp the edges together and cut a few slits on top to let the steam escape. Brush the top with a bit of beaten egg for a golden finish. Pop it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for about 50 minutes or until it's bubbly and golden. Let it cool, slice it up and enjoy. Simple, quick, and oh so delicious. Happy baking!